What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is raining outside, so I figured I'd do another truck rating video. This one, I'm going to leave all their Instagram names down in the corner of the, or when I post their pictures on the actual video part, so you guys can actually see it instead of me going through saying their Instagram and then showing you the truck. We're just going to put their Instagram name down in the corner or whatever so you guys can see it. But starting off here, we have it looks like two newer style Rams. I'm guessing probably 2014 styles. The one's like a newer 5th gen. He said, I'm guessing the silver one is his, and then the black one is his dad's. He said these are pictures of mine and my dad's truck. So like I said, I'm guessing silver's his. Silver one's a sharp looking truck. I'm not a big fan of all the chrome. It would probably look better to me if it was collar matched, like the chrome on the mirrors was collar matched. The bumper collar match. I like the black wheels and the silver collar. And then his dad's truck looks nice. I'm just not a big fan of the front ends on those trucks. But overall, I mean, I would probably give his truck an 8. Like I said, I'd probably change those few things, like the collar match and stuff. And then his dad's truck, those front ends are just ugly to me, but I'd probably go 8 also. This truck here is actually my cousin's truck. It is a 2500 HD, not a Duramax. It's the 6.0 gas truck. He's got the cowl hood on it. He's got ion alloys on it, tow mirrors, straight piped. So it's not a bad truck. It's starting to get some rust and stuff on it, but overall it's a really solid truck, runs really good. I know he's had to do like brakes and stuff like that on it, but that's just normal maintenance and everything. If it was my truck, it's got the chrome plating down the side on the bottom of the door and stuff like that. And I would probably take that off, and then I think I would collar match almost everything on this truck from front to rear. Top to bottom. I just love the black on these trucks, and you can make them look extremely sharp. Overall, a good truck. I'd probably give this one an 8 also. I'm not a big fan of the chrome door handles either. It's just not my style. But moving on, we have Jimmy's truck. You guys seen this truck a bunch on the channel. He recently just put basically a whole new front end on this truck. I think upper and lower ball joints, upper control arm, tie rods, all front end brakes. I'm not sure what else he's done, but if this was my truck, honestly, I'd throw a set of probably 15x10 black wheels on it, do like a 2.4 drop to it, black the whole front end out, bumper, grille, the headlight bezels, the rear bumper, the mirrors, door handles, and then kind of give it like that street strip look. That's just me. And then I would honestly probably fix the rust. The one bedside's got some rust on it, and then this front fender, as you guys can tell, has got a dent in it. I'd probably change those out, paint them the same color as the truck, weather them up, and then clear coat over it, and basically make it like I said, a street strip truck and that sleeper look. And then you can build the motor and stuff from there. But overall, it's a great truck. He's had some problems to it. Going off like the look and stuff, I'd probably give this truck a 6, but it runs pretty good. So I mean, it's probably, I'd give it probably a 7 overall. But yeah, we're gonna continue on to the next one. And so this is another local boy. I'm not sure what year it is, but it is a 6.0. It's rocking the 962 Moto metals. I'm not sure what size, probably 18x10s if I had to guess. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the chrome on really any truck. I would probably paint the front bumper black, excuse me, the grille black, and then do the chrome on the mirrors black as well, just to kind of give it that offset since he is running black wheels. Now if you had the chrome Moto Metal 962s, I would probably leave it chrome because it would tie together real well. But this is a clean truck. Not a big fan of Fords, but the 6.0s are really good trucks if you bulletproof them. But the exhaust part sounds a great turbo sound, but when you get on them, it reminds me of that real loud crackling pop. But overall, of the looks on this truck, I got to give it probably a 9. There's not much I would change other than probably changing the chrome to black, but good looking truck. This truck here, I'm guessing, is a 2000. It's like a 2008 or 2007 and a half to 2012, I think, is when they switched over the new style. Love these trucks. I particularly love this one. I wouldn't probably change anything about this truck. Love the black. I love the murdered out look. The stance is right. The height is right. He looks like he's got window tint on it to help it. That dark look. I love the tinted headlights. I wouldn't change anything about this truck. Honestly, this truck is a 10. It's obviously, I'm guessing, a Duramax. I'm guessing he's probably got exhaust and stuff like that done to it, but yeah, I wouldn't change anything about this truck. So good looking truck, man. Yeah, it's obviously a 10 for me. So another square body. You can't go wrong with square bodies. I mean, they look phenomenal either way. Like, you look at Jimmy's and it being in rough shape, it still looks good. Same with this one. It looks like it's got maybe a little rust there on the side of the door, but other than that, it's a clean looking truck. I would honestly just fix it and drive it. Excuse me. I wouldn't really mess too much with this one. The fenders aren't all rusted out. The bedside's not terribly bad. And yeah, I like the looks of it. Keep up with your build. I'm not sure if it's running right now or those blocks, it just doesn't have brakes, but either way, I'd give it probably a 7 because I'm not sure if it's got rust or anything else wrong with it, but clean looking truck. This truck is, I'm not quite sure what year he said, but it's either a 95 to 99 style or early 2000. It is a 6.5, he said. I like the looks of this truck. I would probably put a set of tow mirrors on it and widen the stance up a little bit. Change the headlights out to maybe a black, since you are going with like the black at the bottom and stuff like that. But I really like the looks of it. He sent me another picture. Here it is. It's got sitting with another square body. The square body is clean, FYI, but his truck, I mean, it's a good looking truck. Like I said, I just widen the stance up a little bit, but other than that, I'd give it probably a 9, being a 6.5, and it's still running. But anyway, we'll move on. This Dodge here is a 2003, I believe that's what he said. It's a good looking truck. This style of Dodge is probably, to me, the best looking other than the first gen. I would probably change the chrome grille, or the chrome on the grille to black. Color match that front bumper. I'm guessing he's running, they look like 20 by 14s on probably a 6 to 8 inch lift, but it's a good looking truck. I'm guessing it's probably an automatic. I'm guessing it's probably also had a transmission rebuilt, but not 100% sure. I mean, Dodges run into that problem. But I mean, I would drive it like it is. I'd rate it a 9. Looks like he's flexing on that back wheel a little bit in this picture, but good looking truck. Another power stroke. This guy lives on a ranch. He's sent me quite a few pictures, so I picked the best 2 pictures. This power stroke from this angle, I like the looks of it. I would probably just throw a set of black wheels on it and just run it like it is. And then we have this Duramax. I'm guessing it's a Duramax. Or it looks like it's got the badging up on the cowl hood part of it. I would change the wheels on it again. Probably something black. That black and silver contrast would look really good. And then I'd probably just change out the headlights and taillights to another black look, and then go from there. But super clean looking truck. I love this style of GM. They did a really good, simple, clean look. And then the new ones are just, I'm not a big fan of the front ends on the Chevys of the new ones, but the new GMs are pretty good looking trucks. But anyway, I'm going to give this silver one a 10 just because I would change out those little things. I love the looks of these. I love the brush guard on the front of it as well. And then the power stroke, I'd probably give it a 10. I'm guessing it's either it looks like a 6.4, but I'm not 100% sure. And then we have a single cab, I'm guessing 2000 to, I'm guessing it's probably 2000 or 2001. Single cab. This was my first truck. I had one like this, but it was all white. Had the 4.3 V6 in it. Not much you can do with that motor. Kind of slow, not a huge powerhouse or anything. But I like the looks of this truck. I like the wheels. If it was me, I would probably black out like the front end and the bumper and stuff, just kind of tie it in and throw some black mirrors on it to give it that contrast between the maroon and then the black. He's almost got too much going on here between the chrome, the black flares, the maroon, and then I'm guessing the bottom of the maroon, it looks like almost like a silver collar, but I'm not 100% sure. But I give it an 8. Change those few things on it, and I mean, it'd be a good looking truck. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Rate My Truck. Not a whole lot of people sent in their trucks, but I just needed to get a video out because it has been raining for the past 6-7 days. We had the tractor pulls this past weekend, which was phenomenal. Gonna probably get some footage up of it here shortly. I gotta get Jimmy's SD card from his camera because I didn't take mine. But anyway, guys, thank you for stopping in. Let me know what you think of these videos if you like them. I'm probably gonna be over working on the 79 here shortly at Chad's. I'm trying to finish up a project in the shop. We will be having, or I will be getting a video up of it shortly, so you guys can see what I've been working on. But anyway, guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.